In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get 600 HP in Deep Pokken. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you beginner-friendly instructions on how to increase your HP in Deep Pokken. So I'm gonna go over the best and most convenient ways to get this done. So, the main way to increase your HP is gonna come down to Vitality and Fortitude. These stats will directly influence your HP. So, every 1 point of Vitality is going to equal 10 HP. And the maximum that you can have is 6 Vitality, which in total is going to be 60 HP. So this is going to be one of the most straightforward ways. Next, you have Fortitude. For this one, it is going to be a little bit different. For every 2 points of Fortitude, you will get 1 point in HP. So if you have 50 Fortitude, you get 25 HP. If you have something like 80 Fortitude, you get 40. The maximum here is going to be 100 Fortitude, which equals 50 HP. So you can get 60 from Vitality points and then 50 from Fortitude, which is going to sum up to 110 additional HP from these stats. Now, of course, you have other methods of getting HP, and this is where all of the rest is going to come from in small upgrades. One of the most straightforward ways is just going to be through talents. As long as a specific talent isn't going to ruin your build, consider picking it up for the additional health. A common example would be Pocket Bombs. As you can see, it gives plus 5 health or plus 5 HP. You can check which talents give health by going over to the wiki or by visiting resources on YouTube and other places like Discord. You can look for any talent that increases health. As you can see, searching by the word health has a lot of things to go through, but often you will come across something that will have here, plus 5 health. So for example, the Mass Blood Render common talent. So all that you have to do is look for talents that give you health upon acquiring them. This is going to be a very direct way to get them, and remember, as long as it doesn't ruin your build. Next, you will have stuff like oaths and armor. This can get a little bit more complicated, especially on the armor side of things. I'm not going to cover every single talent, every single oath, and every single armor that is recommended for extra HP, but you can use the wiki and this video as a starting point. So, as an example, the Star Kindred oath gives you plus 8 health. So all that you have to do is browse through oaths and see which of them can help you achieve higher health points. And as long as you browse through some talents, oaths, and armor that give you extra health points, you will be able to get up to 600 HP in Deep Pokken. I hope I was able to help you on how to get 600 HP Deep Pokken. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.